Hello friends, welcome to GISpedia. In this video, we will learn brief about Introduction to GIS. What is GIS? A Geographical Information System or GIS science is a system designed to capture, store, manipulate, analyze, manage and present spatial or geographic data. Actually, GIS technology brings the digital representation of land features by showing relationships and patterns in data in the form of maps or charts. Here, presenting spatial data means data is linked with location. Actually, location is very important for everyone in many aspects. Today, all of us use GIS technology on regular basis. For example, we go online, search the name of bank or hotel or ATM and see the map and directions to get the location. So there are many examples in which we directly or indirectly use GIS in our everyday life. Applications of GIS. GIS is widely useful in almost every kind of industry, that is business, communication, utility, natural resources, health, emergency, transport. Business applications includes applications in retail, manufacturing, supply chain, and many more. Communication application includes application in telecom and networking. In utilities, we can create electric, gas, and water network to represent the spatial features. Also in natural resources, GIS is widely used in forestry, agriculture, petroleum, and likewise. How we represent data in GIS? Actually, in GIS, data is represented in the form of spatial and attribute information using the three geometries, that is, points, lines, and areas. Points features can be used to locate a village, city, town, or a country. We can also represent a population density map and identify the patterns by using a point map. Lines can be used to represent road network, gas network, pipe network, or electric network. Also, area features can be used to represent areas showing the parcels, country boundary, and many more. Points, lines, and areas combine to form a vector data model used to represent the earth features. Vector data. Actually, vector data is the representation of features in GIS format, or we can say that we make feature geometries in vector data, and these feature geometries can be having many formats like shapefile, coverage, KML, GML, CAD, GeoJSON, and many more. Shapefile is a native ESRI format. It can be used to store vector data in ESRI softwares like ArcGIS, ArcGIS Pro, ArcGIS Online, and many more. A coverage is the ArcInfo workstation software format. KML is Keyhole Markup Language. It is a Google Earth format which represents 2D and 3D features in Google Earth. GML, Geography Markup Language. It is defined by OGC, that is Open Geospatial Consortium, to represent geographical features. CAD. CAD is computer-aided design. These are drawing files created in CAD softwares like AutoCAD. GeoJSON. GeoJSON is based on JavaScript's object notation. designed for representing simple geographical features. So these all are some of the examples of vector data formats. Raster data. Raster data or images are produced by optical or electronic devices such as a radiometer, camera or scanning device. Raster data model is represented by grids formed by intersection of rows and columns called pixels, which means that each row and column intersect to form a grid, and that grid is called as pixels. Various raster formats are GeoTIFF, JPEG 2000, IMG, PNG, and many more. GeoTIFF is a data format which stores georeferenced TIFF file. A TIFF file is tag image file format. JPEG 2000 is a joint photography export group format. IMG is ADAS imaging software format. PNG is portable network format. All these formats are used to store raster data in GIS. Various GIS softwares in GIS industry. ArcMap. It is the world leading GIS software which is sold and produced by ESRI. MicroStation by Bentley. MapInfo by Bitney Bose. Small World by General Electric. QGIS, previously known as Quantum GIS, is an open source GIS software. AutoCAD by Autodesk. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please do comment and share my video, and you can also contact me on mygspedia@gmail.com. Please subscribe my channel.